Hello, welcome back to Beauty EduTech. In today's video, I'll be talking about everything you need to know about building a gaming PC in 2025. This video will also cover the crucial mistakes to avoid when building a gaming PC. Every gaming PC has at least 8 core components which are constant, no matter the type of gaming PC you are building. Let's dive into these 8 core components. We will also include their functions and specifications. The CPU, even though paired with a powerful GPU, processes the game logic. It handles the core game mechanics. It runs the operating system background task. It interprets and executes instructions from the game software. There are 3 core metrics to consider when getting a CPU for your PC game. These core metrics are the cores, the threads, and the clock speed. The number of cores in the CPU indicates how many core mini CPUs are allocated to the chip. With up to 12 cores, they can multitask. You will need at least 6+ cores for gaming. Threads. The threads are the actual instruction of a programs. Instructions like calculation, logic operations, and control flows like loops and conditionals. Threading enables multitasking. Clock speed. The clock speed indicates how many cycles the core can achieve in seconds. A 5 GHz CPU will do 5 billion stings in a core second. The motherboard. The motherboard provides the connections between the critical components. It provides the physical and electrical connections for the CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, power supply, cooling system, inputs and outputs ports. It enables expansions in the upgrades, overclocking capabilities, and RGB lighting system. Motherboard choice should be narrowed down to chipsets. For Intel chipsets, use B760 or B660 chipsets. For AMD chipsets, use B650 or B650E. CPU cooler. The CPU cooler keeps the CPU and GPU from overheating during operation. It maintains performance. It may throttle or slow down to avoid damage when CPU or GPU gets too hot. The CPU cooler enables overclocking. Gamers often push CPUs and GPUs beyond factory speeds, thus creating more heat. A powerful cooler handles it by overclocking. Some of the best PC liquid coolers include Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 ARGB, Be Quiet Light Loop, Air Coolers, Notcher NHD15G2. There is also the thermal throttle cooler. An example of the thermal throttle cooler include the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 EVO. The RAM. The RAM speeds up game performance. It prevents crash in demanding games. It's a temporal data storage and it allows for fast gaming. The recommended RAM size is the 32 GB RAM size. The graphic card. The graphic card renders and displays visuals on the monitor. Graphic cards improve frame rates, enables advanced graphic features like ray tracing, virtual reality, etc. SSD, solid state drive. This is used for fast storage of your games, operating system and other data. It speeds up the game lead times. It improves system boot time. It reduces stuttering in games. Some of the recommended SSD for 2025 gaming PC include Samsung 990 Pro with or without heatsink, Black XN850X, Sabrent Rocket 4 Plus, Crucial P5 Plus. The power supply unit. The power supply unit converts electricity into usable power for your computer components at the correct voltages. It ensures efficiency and heat management. It ensures modularity and cable management in your gaming case. Some of the metrics to consider when determining your power supply is the size of the PC you are building and the efficiency. The eighth component, which is the case. The PC case shields internal components like the motherboard, CPU, SSD from dust. It also prevents physical damage and static electricity. It protects cables and ports from accidental unplug, damage. It also provides components like mounting. It also enhances the look and upgrading of your PC. If you enjoyed this video, kindly do me a favor by hitting the thumbs up button so that the algorithm can recommend it for other people to view. It also goes a long way to help us grow on this space. If you want to see more of our contents, hit the subscribe button and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.